Welcome to Competitive Exams Corner, APPSC Group 2 Mains సోషల్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ని గత కొద్ది రోజులుగా నేను మీకు ఇస్తూ వస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఈ వీడియోలో కూడా మరికొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ని నేను మీకు అందించబోతున్నాను. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ప్రూవ్డ్ దట్ పల్లవాస్ రీప్లేస్డ్ ద ఇక్ష్వాకుస్ ఆఫ్ విజయపురి? ఆన్సర్, ద మంచికల్లు inscription of Pallava Simhavarman. Second question, Nannaya Bhatta was assisted by Narayana Bhatta in translating the Mahabharata. The evidence to this fact was Nandampudi grant. Next question, which dynasty of Andhra issued iron coins with a thin coating of copper? Answer, Vishnu Kundins. Next question, the credit for establishing Telugu in Andhra Desha goes to Eastern Chalukyas. Next question, Brahmanical cave temples of Mughal Rajapuram and Undavalli are assigned to Vishnu Kundins. Next question, which religion in Andhra served as a lubricant to the process of upward social mobility in medieval times? Answer, Vaishnavism. Next question, under which dynasty in Andhra the non-Brahmanization of religion and politics was culminated? Answer, Kakatiyas. Next question, the Velamas who were intruders into the economic life of Palnadu dominated by the Reddys were defeated and driven out in the Battle of Karampudi. Next, the dance sculptures found in the Ramappa temple at Palampet were said to have been based on the principles found in the following work on the art of dance. Answer, Kepas Nritya Ratnavali. Next, name the Red King. Name the Reddy King who levied tax on delivery of a child. Puriti Pannu. Answer, Racha Vema. Next, who was the composer of Subhadra Kalyanam? Answer, Tallapaka Timmakka. Next, who was the pioneer composer of Kriti form of Carnatic music? Answer, Tyagaraja. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది కృతులు అంటారు కదా, త్యాగరాజ కృతులు అంటారు కదా, సో అదనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది టు ద డిలైట్ ఆఫ్ పబ్లిక్ బిసైడ్స్ యక్షగణ, వాట్ వాస్ ద అదర్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ట్ అవైలబుల్ ఫర్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఇన్ రూరల్ ఆంధ్ర అండర్ విజయనగర రూల్? ఆన్సర్, షాడో ప్లే నోన్ యాజ్ అ బొమ్మలాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఘటిక యంత్ర వాజ్ ఎ టైమ్ measuring device under the Reddy's rule. What was called? Answer, Ghatika Gara. Next, what was the important part in the coastal Andhra region where the shipbuilding activity flourished during 16th and 17th centuries called Narsapur? Next, what was the negotiated between British resident of East India Company at Machilipatnam and Nazim Ali Khan of Hyderabad for the lease of northern circars to the company? Answer, Khandregula Jogi Pantulu. Next question, the Battle of Padmanabham 1794 decided the fate of Vijay Ramaraju, the ruler of Vijayanagaram. Next, of all famines that affected South India, which was the most serious one? Answer, 1833 Guntur. Next, what was the term Gentoo referred to in the 19th century? Answer, a language referred by the Portuguese. Next, who translated the Bible into Telugu 1746-47? Answer, Benjamin Sholje. Next, who was the pioneer of Kisan movement in Andhra? Answer, N.G. Ranga. Next, the earliest Prarthana Samaj in Andhra was established in 1878 by Veeraselingam. Next, the Telugudesam Party founded by N.T. Ramarao during the chief ministership of Bhavanam Venkatram. Next, name one famous dance performer of Kuruvanji. Answer Rukmini Arundale. Next question. The United State of Andhra Pradesh took its birth only after the Gentleman's Agreement on Friday on February 20, 1956. Next, the Jai Andhra movement 1972-73 finally ended with the 6-point formula proposed by the central government. Next question. During the period of South Indian campaign of Samudragupta, who was the ruler of Vengi? Answer Hashti Varman. Next, what was the capital of Dutch settlement in Andhra? Answer Pulicat. Who among the following Chola emperors offered his daughter in marriage to Chalukya Vimaladitya? Answer Rajaraja. Next, one of the following Chola rulers forced the Sri Vijaya Empire of Southeast Asia to accept her suzerainty. Answer Rajendra I. Next, the famous port city during the period of the Pallavas is the Mahabalipuram. Next question. The Vengi Chalukyan ruler who constructed many more temples in Andhra is a Chalukya Bhima I. Next question. Where the Island Museum is located in Andhra Pradesh? Answer Nagarjuna Konda. Next, in Andhra, the first widow remarriage was done by the understated K. Veeraselingam. Next, the Roman coins are found at various states of Andhra Pradesh uh, that belong to the period of the following Satavahana. Next, the Sribak Pact was signed by the Andhra leaders at the place understated Madras. Next, the Vijayanagara kingdom is completely disappeared with this battle. Answer Battle of Topuru. Next, the identify the lake which is mentioned in the in the Pitapuram inscription of uh, Prithvisara of Velnadu. Answer Kolleru Lake. Next, the Raichur Doab is formed by the confluence of rivers. Answer Krishna and Tungabhadra. Next question. Which of the following is a old Stone Age site? Answer Billa Sorghum. Next, which of the following places is an evidence of Chalcolithic age in Andhra? Answer Patapadu. Next, which literature refers to Andhra's Karata? Answer Buddhist literature. Next, who among the following located Satavahanas in Ballari district on the basis of Myakadoni inscription? Answer V.S. Sukthankar. Next, name the capital of a place known as the Anupa under Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Answer Mahishmati. Next, next question. Who among the following issued Junar inscription? Answer Ayama. Next, identify the inscription of Chanda Shatakarni. Answer Kondavali inscription. Next question. Which Ikshvaku ruler was described as Sri Parvatadipati? Parvatadipati. Answer Virapurusha Datta. Next question. Rudra Purusha Datta issued which of the following inscription? ఆన్సర్ గురజాల ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్. ఇవి ఈ రోజుకి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ అండి. అండ్ మరొక వీడియోలో మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ని డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.